Something doesn't sound quite right there. Can you hear that? Fully expecting this to give up any second now. Continue the test with having the lighter front fluid versus the heavier back fluid. And in my last video, for those of you that saw it, I tried it in a bit of an off-road muddier surface, and I do want to see how it performs on tarmac as well, to see if it kind of eliminates that tail happiness a little bit, which is what I was looking for. So yeah, I'm just going to give it a bit of a run and check it out. I haven't fixed that wheelie bar yet. And it's been in the boot of my car since that last video, so I haven't actually cleaned it either. Yeah, this is so much fun. I think it does affect the steering a bit, having that heavier rear fluid compared to before, but not noticeable that much. Yeah, it's definitely helped avoid the excess spinning out. I can tell already. Feels like a nice balance, this, for me. At least for how I drive it. Absolute beast of a mini RC, this. I can't remember what I put the punch to, but I think I might have maxed out the punch on the Hobbywing ESC I've got on here. Yeah, it really needs that second wheel to go back onto that wheelie bar, I think. Yeah, I'm really liking this diff wheel setup. It felt quite good on the off-road and muddy surface, and it feels quite decent on here as well. Definitely worth experimenting. And I think that's what it was for me, a bit of an experiment. Because I always have traditionally run a heavier diff oil in the rear. I just thought I'd try something a bit different. You know, I kind of wish I bought my GNSS speed test module, because this feels faster than what I remember it. I'm running the stock Pinion, but I think I've also maxed out the timing. Only running the 2200 mAh CNHL battery today, so probably won't get much runtime. But I do remember feeling that there's more runtime with that same battery on this rig compared to the XTS S10. On that I get pretty much 8 or 9 or 10 minutes depending on my driving style, and on this I think I get a bit more, but we'll see. Okay, can you hear that? Something doesn't sound quite right there. Pinion maybe? I'm still going to run it. Sounds like the pinion might be stripped. Can you hear that? Yeah, something's stripped. I might as well just give it the beans. Fully expecting this to give up any second now. That noise is getting worse. Something else is, or it's continued to strip if it is the pinion. There you go. It's completely gone now. I think that's pinion. All right. We'll have a look to see what it is, but I think it sounds like we've stripped something. I'll check it out and let you guys know what happened. But I'm quite happy with how the front and rear oil setup is working on here. It works for my driving style, so if you are thinking about doing something similar, then give it a go.